Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports this week, guys, Wednesday's Nasdaq short squeeze play popped 10% today, and Monday's popped almost 9% today. Today's biotech closed unchanged. These three could just be getting started. If you want our full reports on any of these names, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And from last night's video, a couple of winners. ATOM closed up 32% today. IMMX up 24% today. Fisker FSR up almost 10%. OPGN up 8%, and MARA MARA up 6%. But the big runners today were the China low float names. The shorts are absolutely getting crushed, and I absolutely love it. They could not happen to a better group of scumbags. This is just beautiful to see what's going on with Top. Top closed at $20. And it's trading $229 in the after hours, a 10x. Just wow, we have not seen a 10x overnight in a long time. Top just has a 5 million share float. So it's these combination of the low float and the shorts getting squeezed. What's happening is when these plays start running, you get a ton of shorts coming in trying to top pick it. And it's just absolutely not working. Retail is squeezing these names, and they're going to keep going higher. So right now, it's a theme, and this is what we're going to focus on. Hong Kong-based, the news today is Hong Kong-based Top Financial Group. The stock was halted several times for volatility, with shares rocketing close to 195% higher. Shares of Top, formerly known as Zhong Yang, opened at $7.17, dipping to an early low of $6.53 before soaring to a high of $24 midday, up nearly 260% from the prior day's close. The stock finished the session at $19.79. The online brokerage did not appear to make any SEC filings this week or release any news. Top held a $25 million initial public offering in June 2022, pricing shares at $5 a piece. The company also changed its name to Top Financial from Zhong Yang last July. And the move has already happened in Top. I mean, a 10x. If you're not already in and you start chasing, you're going to get, with volatility, with halts, you could really get hurt in it. So what I'm going to do here is put some names on your radar screen that could be the next Top. These are all Chinese names, and what's going to happen now is because of what happened with Top, everyone's looking for the next Top. So put these names on your radar screen, put them up on the charts, play green, not red, and let's look for that momentum. First up is UCAR. This is a recent Chinese IPO, just a 7 million share float. Next up is MEGL. This is the only one trading under $1, just a $20 million market cap and a 7 million share float. Next up is TCJH. This is another recent Chinese IPO, just an 11 million share float. MGIH. $19 million market cap, and an 11 million share float, another recent IPO. WLGS, this is the next one on the list. This is a recent Hong Kong IPO. And we don't have any float data on this one yet. HUDI, this is a Chinese stainless steel company, $38 million market cap and a 4 million share float. Already almost 8% of the float is short. That is a positive sign. Could see this one squeeze tomorrow. JYD, this is another recent Chinese IPO, closed just at $3.73. And last but not least, who can forget the big Chinese runners from last summer, AMTD and HKD. AMTD, this is back in August. Started in July, then we got the pop in August. Same with HKD. The HKD was an absolute monster last year. So we got these also on our radar screen. Could be then they can squeeze like they did. I'm not saying like last year, but a lot of people are going to be are familiar with these names, and they're going to be rushing into them. But overall, markets are heating up. Today was the best day in a long time with the Dow up over 500 points. Could this be the next? Could this be the start of the next small cap bull run? We shall see, but I will say it's been a while since we've seen a 10x overnight. I, like all of you, am praying that this is the start of something big. If it is, this is when your accounts are going to grow massively. I know a lot of traders left the market last year when in the small cap bear market, but for those that stayed and still tuning in, this is when you get rewarded. We at InsiderFinancial.com will always be here looking for the next big runner and covering the latest small cap news so that you guys know what's going on and, most importantly, why a stock is running. Our goal is to educate and help make you guys better traders and investors. And these Hong Kong Chinese names running, they're not running on any fundamentals. So these are not buy and hold plays. These are pure momentum. Get in, ride the wave, get off. Not diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Ignore that noise. It's all about P&L. And I know a lot of you, don't stay in. The key is knowing when to get in and get out. I look at it, if you get in and you get out and you made money, that's a win. I know a lot of people I'm watching, the feed on top. A lot of people are going, I sold out. If you made money, that's all that matters. So just focus on that. You will catch one of these 10Xs, at some point. If you're doing this long enough, you learn patience. And if you got the just fuck it money, you know what I mean? You buy 1,000 shares, say, all right, let's see what happens. If I lose it all or whatever, I don't care. And that's how you can play it. So if you have that mentality, great. But, if you're really trying to make a living, that's, trading, that doesn't work. You got to be always managing your risk. As Warren Buffett says, rule number 1 is don't lose money. Rule number 2, look at rule number 1 again. So again, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. And like I said, we're always here. Our goal is to educate and help make you guys better traders and investors. And that's at the end of the day, that's all that matters. So, making progress, becoming a better trader and investor, building that P&L and, putting more money in your pocket, building that account and being proud for your family. So that's all that matters. And with that being said, I want to wish everyone a happy Friday. Good luck tomorrow. I will be recapping tomorrow's action after the bell. So hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you want our reports, guys, and our pre-market alerts, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. You can even sign up to reader reports and unsubscribe. No spam, info never shared, unsubscribe anytime. And if I see anything, in the pre-market that's really hot, that's worth your guys' interest, I will send out a quick email or a text. So again, text is the fastest way for me to do it. I can do it real fast and send it to all of our subscribers. So, make sure you sign up with your mobile as well. And finally, guys, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, everyone. Let's finish the week strong. Bye-bye.